It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to give you a gift by celebrating Black Friday with a 50% off sale on everything in the store. Friday, November 28th through Sunday, November 30th, 2025. That's right, 50% off everything in the store. And to make the bargains even sweeter, WestPoint Home is offering 60% off on all clearance items. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with a whopping 50% off everything in the store and 60% off all clearance items. Luxurious absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping or give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale with 3 big days. Friday, November 28th through Sunday, November 30th, 2025. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the holiday savings begin.